This here will be an example of how we can remove material from a stock material to a certain profile. So we need to remove all this material. So we had a previous job to profile this contour, so we can blank the NC path of this previous job. Okay, and we'll move back to a top view, and we will select our profile and select our raw material, and now we will move to NC jobs, clean profile from block. So we're going to remove all the material. So this can be any shape, the raw material, and of course the profile as well. Okay, would you like a new tool to load? Yes, we would like to load a new tool. Start height of 50, that's okay. And we will select, let's see what we have, a flat end of 24, select, okay. Our 0 point is G54. Our start value is 0, the depth will be 5, step depth 2.5, and we'll have a finishing Z level of 0.1, so this means everything will be removed until Z minus 4.9, and it will do a finishing job of 1/10. We don't need any allowance on our profile, so that will be 0. Okay. The overlap of our tool is 50%, which is okay. The approach height, safe position, and retract height, okay. So we can now remove material first in a certain area and then move on to the next part, or we can machine per Z level, which in this case we will do. So we'll select 1. It will now calculate the tool path, and we can convert this into CNC code. So we'll click on OK. We don't need any copies in this case, so we'll answer no. And this is our NC program, which starts here and moves down. You can use the arrow button on your keyboard to see which line represents which NC line. So if you want to simulate this, click on the eye, then move to the Tensor Simulator and click on the eye. So the program is being loaded here, and we can then simulate the program. First you see the profile job, and we'll click on pause, and we'll change the speed of simulation to 100 and click on OK and continue, so you might see a little bit better how this is being machined. So there you have this level of minus 4.9, and then you'll have a finishing job afterwards, which is now being started. So this is a fairly easy way to program your part within Tensor. There on the bottom you will see the machining time, which is 40 minutes and 2 seconds using these spindle speeds and feeds. So let's move on to the next example.